Welcome all of you. Today we talk about elephants. Who are the elephants? Elephants are large land mammals that belong to the family Elephantidae. They are known for their impressive size, intelligence, and iconic long trunks. Basically, there are two types of elephants. Number 1, African elephants. Number 2, Asian elephants. Example of African elephants: African bush elephants, African forest elephants. Example of Asian elephants: Borneo pygmy elephants, Sumatran elephants, Indian elephants, Sri Lankan elephants. Now we discuss about difference between African and Asian elephants. Asian elephants. Mass 4,000 kilograms, male, adult, 2,700 kilograms, female, adult. Scientific name, Elephas maximus. Gestation period, 18 to 22 months. Lifespan, 48 years, adult, in captivity, European population. Height, 2.8 m, male, adult, at shoulder, 2.4 m, female, adult, at shoulder. African elephants. Mass, 6,000 kilograms, male, adult, 3,000 kilograms, female, adult. Scientific name, Loxodonta cyclotis. Gestation period, 22 months. Lifespan, 60 to 70 years. Height, 3.2 m, male, adult, at shoulder, 2.2 to 2.8 m, female, adult, at shoulder.